Hello students, today I am going to continue with the same topic, that is chapter number 8, application of integral. In application of integral, today we start with question number 5. Question number 5. Using the integration, find the area of the triangular region whose sides have the equation y is equal to 2x plus 1, y is equal to 3x plus 1, and x is equal to 4. Find the area of the triangular region. Correct. You know that in this question there are three equations of the lines. Firstly, find the point of intersection of these lines, solving these equations. Equation number 1, and this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 3. Solving first and second, you know that 2x plus 1 is equal to 3x plus 1, therefore x is equal to 0. Solving first and second. Now solving second and third, put x is equal to 4 here, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 13, so y is equal to 13, right? Therefore the coordinate of A 0, when you put here 0, so 0, that is 1, coordinate of B 4 13, and coordinate of C, solving equation number third and first, 4, 9. Clear? Now draw the figure. X axis, y axis. 0 1, you know here 0 1 1 2 3 4. This is the line x is equal to 4. I need to know that both point lies on this line, that is 4 9 you can say, and this is 4 13 you can say. Now join this. Clear? This is the coordinate of A and B and C. We want to find the area of this triangle. Right? You know that for this triangle, firstly you have to decide the equation of AB. The equation of AB which satisfy both points. It means this equation, when you put 0 1 0 1, that is satisfy. When you put here 4 4 3 12, satisfy. It means the equation of AB is that is y is equal to 3x plus 1. And the third equation, that is y is equal to 2x plus 1. Clear? Because you know that the equation of BC is x is equal to 4. Now area triangle ABC, that is area triangle ABC, integration, limit 0 to 4, correct, left to right, upper minus lower, upper you know 3x plus 1, and lower you know 2x plus 1 dx. Therefore integration 0 to 4, when you simplify this x dx, further you can solve integration of x square by 2, and upper limit minus lower limit, 4 4 is 16 by 2 8 square unit is the answer. Clear? This is the solution of question number 5. Next, miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 8. Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 8. You know that miscellaneous exercise question number 1. Find the area under the given curve and the given line. First question, that is y is equal to x square, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x axis. You know that this is upward parabola and x is equal to 1, this line, x is equal to 2, this line, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x axis. It means you want to find this portion, right? A, B, C, D. So required area, limit 1 to 2, that is x square dx. 1 to 2 x square dx, correct? Next question number 2. Y is equal to x and y is equal to x square. The same figure, upward parabola. This is x axis, y axis, and y is equal to x means the line passes through the origin. You want to find this area. Draw the perpendicular A, B, O. Can you find the point of intersection of A? Solve equation number 1 and 2 both. On solving 1 and 2. On solving equation number 1 and 2. That is 1, 1. Coordinate of A 1, 1. Therefore, required area, integration limit 0 to 1. This area lies between 2. This area lies between 2 function. Then upper minus lower. Upper line. From the line, what is the value of x? Y x. And from parabola, what is the value of y? That is x square. Further you can solve. Clear? Just simple integration, then upper limit minus lower limit. Next, question number 4. Miscellaneous. Y is equal to x plus 3 mod and evaluate minus 6 to 0 mod x plus 3 dx. Clear? Can you tell me the turning point of mod x plus 3? Put x plus 3 is equal to 0. Put x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, you can say area minus 6 to minus 3 and minus 3 to 0. In the left side, you know that negative of that function. On the right side, positive of the function. And the graph of this line, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 is the turning point. This is the graph. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. This line. You want to find the area of this portion. And the equation of this line, y is equal to minus x plus 3. And the equation of this line, y is equal to x plus 3. Further you can solve just simple integration, then upper limit minus lower limit. Next, question number 6. Find the area enclosed between the parabola. Find the area enclosed between the parabola. Y scale is equal to 4ax and y is equal to mx. You know that this is a right hand parabola. Right hand parabola. And y is equal to mx means the line passes through the origin. We want to calculate the area of this shaded portion. Now can you find the coordinate of A? A is the point of intersection of both parabola and line. Therefore, on solving first and second, put the value of y here. You know that m square x square is equal to 4ax, right? Correct. Yes, m square x square is equal to 4ax. Now m square x square minus 4ax is equal to 0. You can take common x. Therefore, m square x minus 4a is equal to 0. Either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4a upon m square. If x is equal to 4a upon m square, then the value of y, what is the value of x here? That is 4a upon m. Therefore, coordinate of a 4a upon m square comma 4a upon m. This is the coordinate. Now integration, limit 0 to 4a by m square, upper minus lower. Upper you know that is parabola. Upper you know parabola. And what is the value of parabola? Value of parabola you know. Y square is equal to 4ax. Parabola y square is equal to 4ax. And for y square is equal to 4ax, then what is the value of y? Value of y you know. Value of y, that is 2. Value of y is 2 root a root x minus, and what is the value of y from the line? That is mx. Okay. Now can you tell me the integration of this? 2 root a, that is x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus m x square by 2, that is limit 0 to 4a by m square. Now upper limit minus lower limit. Further can you solve? 2 to the 4 root a upon 3 and 4a upon x square whole to the power 3 by 2 minus m by 2 and 4a upon m square whole to the power 2. Correct? Now further you can solve. You know that 4 and root a This is 4 to the power 3 by 2, a to the power 3 by 2 and x to the power 3 minus m by 2, that is 16 a square by m to the power 4. Clear? Now can you tell me 4 into this what? That is 4 to the power 5 by 2 and root a into this half plus 3 by 2, that is a square by x cube minus 4a by here m square, here not x square, here m square put, that is m cube, that is m cube, here m cube, right? Now simplify this. 2 16 8 a square by m and m to the power 4, that is m to the power 3. Clear? This is the answer. You can take common, right? A square by, you can take common if you want, a square by m cube common, that is 4 to the power 5 by 2 minus 8. 4 to the power 5 by 2, you can simplify 16 root 2. 16 root 2 you can write and simplify 4 to the power 2 into 4 to the power half, that is 16 and this is 2. You know that 32. Clear? 32. 32 minus 8, that is 24 a square by m cube. This is the answer. Clear? You can check again. This is the solution of this question. Clear? In question number 7, same as question number 10 of exercise 8.1. Question number 7 and 10, same as exercise 8.1, question number 10. Clear? So you can solve this exercise, your homework, in your copy. Clear? Thank you.